My go people, so June 30th, that is on Tuesday, right there, June 30th. As you can see, immediately when I wake up, currently 8:26, so you can see right here 8:46. So when I wake up, normally I do my analysis before I even get out of bed, because it's much easier since your mind is fresh and all these kind of things. Okay, so on Monday, good morning, I took my trade. My first GBP USD sell trade. Okay, stop loss at 13 pips. It was at 22.90, right? So let's head over to the chart to see that. So at around 22.90, right around here, okay, I was looking to sell. Okay, I was looking to sell this setup. Let's first remove this to be clear. Okay, I was looking to sell this setup right here, so I sold right here, and then the market dropped all the way to here. And then when I saw this move, I knew, according to my one of my entry techniques, I knew that the market is gonna reverse either today or maybe even the following day. Okay, and I even notified the polished members group. Okay, you can see here on the screenshot, I notified the members on the polished group that today, okay, yesterday or today, that's when the reversal is gonna happen. Okay, so yeah, that's exactly what happened later in the day. We also made money from here, so let's head on. So once the market dropped all the way to here, we broke even the trade, and when the market pulled, then the market came all the way to here, and we saw some scaling opportunity, so we scaled in and had our stop loss above there. Okay, so we can use the line here. It was at around 22.90, it's around there. That was where our initial entry was. Then we scaled in some more right here, and we had our stop loss right here. Okay, so once the market came back at us and stopped us, and then showed some more strength to the upside, we just broke even the next trade. So we lost around less than 10 pips in fact, because we had secured 5 pips on this, and then we lost, we were to lose 10 pips on the scaling, so a net of negative 5 pips. Okay, so then the market dropped all the way to here, and then the market showed the reversal. Okay, and I knew yesterday or today could have been the reversal day. I expected some reversal either day, yesterday or today. Okay, so that's when we took the buy trade right here. You can see here on the screenshot. Okay, but I used a smaller risk, because it was going against the trend. Okay, you can see the trend was bearish. This is a technique that normally helps me to know when the banks are just about to trick and trap the retail traders. So I have to follow what the banks are doing. I have to also join them to trap the retail traders, because you can never go against the big money, right? Yeah, so that is it exactly. So yeah, in the morning we were net negative only 5 pips, and then we bought right here. The market all the way, and then I closed the trades around here. I scaled out here and then closed the final trade right here for calling it a day. Okay, so we had all that move right there, and I also notified, you can see on the Telegram group right here. So after that, I told people not to over risk. As always, I have to remind you that every single day. And then when I scaled in, I had to tell them it's only 10 pips, and then I had secured like 5 pips on the initial trade. Okay, also secure the other trade. I told people to drop to break even, or maybe secure some more. Then this was another trade that was given, a setup, and euro yen setup that was given by one of my mentees. We've only had one session. Okay, you can even see, let's see how that performed. Okay, right here the market pulled all the way right here close to the moving average, and then he told me that he's looking to buy right here. Okay, so I bought, but I managed quicker. Okay, which I got stopped at break even, which is okay. And then the market bumped high up. Okay, you can see that is progress. One single day polishing session. It's not even a polishing session. He took a full course, so I'm having a lot of time with him. Okay, but one session is also enough for most people. That was the euro yen trade, 18 pips risk, but I managed earlier. Then I'm uploading a video. I have closed the GBPUSD scale. Scaling was stopped at 10 pips. Okay, I will focus. Okay, let's go to the where EURUSD was. The GBPUSD was. I told people I'm not buying anymore until I see a good setup on Geo. I have to keep on updating you. Then I dropped a video that I was making. Okay, I've also managed the EUR-yen. I've closed it. Okay, and I told people very well. You can see it was at around 540. I don't trust Geo bearish trend. Okay, I'm looking to buy because it's bearish, but I don't trust it because I already know what is happening right there. So then I had already notified them exactly. I think it's time to trap the retail traders, okay, by going long. So every retail trader was going short, but I was going long now. Okay, I'll wait to take a small buy for this risky trade. So this is for risky traders only. So this is auto correction. It's for risky traders only. Okay, and then I told people I've bought. Look at this. 540, I've bought at 22.76. Stop loss 22.56, only 20 pips. Okay, and risk traders only and small size as well. I have to advise you on every single step, every single thing I'm doing. Okay, these are the trades I give them on the group, not on the Telegram channel. Okay, then bam, look at that. Immediately after buying, boom, the market spiked. Okay, this was on Tuesday. Then I said I was scaling tomorrow, so I was looking to hold it, but I'm a day trader, so anytime I hold a trade, I never have peace of mind. So every single time I plan on holding a trade overnight, I normally just find myself closing. Okay, this is the EUR-yen trade given by one of my mentee. He's a monster now, right? This is a GBPUSD trade. Look at that, bam! Using one of my reversal techniques to trap the retail traders. You have to learn how to flow with the money. Okay, this was around 108 pips. Okay, for the day. Okay, and then I told people I scaled out half position, and then I rose my stop loss in case the market retraces back. Okay, and then for anyone who want any course package, contact me. I'm now free. I was free since I've taken my profit and I've secured some more. And then I decided to close exactly as I told you. Every time I decided to hold the trade like at around 5:30 or 6 p.m. But at 7:36 I was already impatient to have the trade overnight. I'm a day trader, I'm used to that, so it's good for me, and I have to follow my setup every single day. I have to be disciplined. Okay, when I become disciplined, I make money. And then bam, we were currently at 100 pips. Okay, 100 plus, because we closed at around 108 or something, or 100 and something. Okay, so that was net. In the morning we had lost 5 pips, and then we recovered, so we were net 100 pips for the day. For Monday and Tuesday we had 210 pips for this on Monday and Tuesday. So today is July 1 on Wednesday, so let's see what happens. So good morning team, new day, new challenges, new money. Let's go, baby. Let's see what today has for us. Okay, and I took my first trade right there. It's around 15 pips, so if I lose on that, it's okay. It's in the morning, so we'll still have more opportunities to come in the course of the day. That's where we are, and we'll do the recap for this today. Okay, that's exactly where we are. You can see the market after. Let's go back to GBPUSD. The trade looks promising. I've taken a buy here and I've updated them. So I took a buy right here and my stop loss right here below this. Okay, let me teach you on how to put the stop loss the right way. Okay, most people would put their stop losses right here. Okay, but I have my stop loss right here. So if I get stopped out, it's because the market is against me, not because I've put on the wrong place. Okay, so you can see it's right here. Okay, because this is the low, not this one. Let me zoom in and explain that further. I can teach you this on the course as well. So if once the market moved from here and rose all the way to here, it dropped, forming a lower high, right? But this is not the higher high, so this should not be the lower high. Okay, this is now the new higher high. Okay, so it should be like that. It should be like this. bam, bam, bam. So this is the real low. This is a fake one. So most traders will have their lows here and they get pinged out and the market moves their way. Okay, and the market then moves their way. Okay, yeah, so that is it. So this is where we took the trade and we had our stop losses right here, and bam, all the way we trapped all the retail traders who are following this trend initially to keep on shorting the market, right? You can learn that from me as well. It's very, very simple. Okay, yep. So make sure you subscribe, make sure you smash that like button for me. Okay, and also if you're interested, anyone who is interested, share my videos wisely. And if you want to learn more about my entry techniques, I have like 6 entry techniques, one to catch and an extra one as a bonus to catch the retail traders, to trap them with the banks. Okay, you flow with the banks. I also have like 4 for exit at a profit. Okay, and I also have 2 to exit at a loss. You also need to know how to manage your losses as well. Okay, which is very, very important. Okay, yeah, that is it. And I also have like 20 plus lessons that will help your psychology. I have a lot of stuff on the guide. It will be very, very helpful to you. Okay, so if you're interested, boom, hit me up on the Telegram. Join the Telegram group, then get my number from my Telegram direct from there, or maybe check the Telegram link, direct Telegram link on the description. Okay, boom, that's it. Have a nice day and trade safe. Bye bye.